There will be an all-cast meeting for The Wizard of Oz today, November 30th, from 3 to 4 p.m. in the Big Music Room.
Good morning. Today is November 30th, 2014, and welcome back from the long weekend. Hope you had enough turkey. I'm Mustafa, and this is Links News. Word of the week: extravagant, expensive, excessive, and over the top. A chandelier in your dining room is normal, but silk-coated walls in marble floors, that's a bit extravagant. The next meeting for January Honor Society will be Monday 12th in room 341. If you are not able to attend the meeting, please inform Mr. Matt 48 hours in advance. Grade 7 Greece tip. Grade 7 students, the final payment for the week without Wall trip to Greece is due December 15th. Thank you for watching Links News. I'm Mustafa, and have a great day.